Okay, once you learn how to display something on the web page by using a basic HTML program, now we will try to move forward a little. Here we are going to learn to develop one more HTML program where we are going to concentrate on the headings. For that one, I am using a basic HTML structure here. In this structure, I am specifying the title as headings and then come to the body part. Already we have explained that whatever the text you have written on the opening and closing of body tag, that will be displayed on the web page. For example, think that you are having a text called as this is an important text. This is an important text. Now what my intention is, I want to display this text on my web browser. For that one, we need to save this program first. Yeah, here I am saving this program as headings.html on my desktop and clicking on save button. Now I will try to see the output of this particular program. For that one, I am opening my Internet Explorer web browser. File, open it, browse the program where you have stored headings and click on open and click on OK button. Now you see the text written in the body part of my HTML program has been displayed on the web browser. Now here I want to make this particular text as a specific one. For that one, HTML supports some tags called as heading tags. As I think this particular text is most important to me, I will use a tag called as h tag. Here this h tag cannot be used individually. Why? Because HTML supports 6 different types of headings. For that one, as this text is very important to me, I will keep this text as most important one and the first one, that is h1. Right? That means that apart from the other text on my web page, this particular text is having more preference. For that one, what I am doing is I am enclosing the text, this is an important text, in between opening and closing of h1 tags. Now we will try to see how this h1 tag is going to format our text. For that one, save the program once again as you have made some changes, then go to the web browser and click on a refresh button. Now you see automatically the text has been increased in its size. Now going to our program back, HTML, as HTML h1 tag has formatted our text, we are having some more options through which you can format the text. For example, the same text I want to display in by using 6 different headings. For that one, the same text I am copying and paste it here, and the second heading type HTML supports is h2, and the third one is h3, the fourth one is h4, fifth one is h5, and sixth one is h6. As I said earlier, HTML supports 6 different types of headings. It starts from h1 and ends at h6. A text which is enclosed in between h1 opening and closing open and closing of h1 tag, that will be displayed with maximum size. That means that h1 displays the text with a maximum size and h6 with a minimum size. That means that when you go below h1 to h2, the size of the text will decrease to some extent, then H2 to H3 again decreases, and H3 to H4, H5, H6, like that. Means the text with H1 tag will have a maximum size and a text with H6 size will have minimum size. Now we will try to see the output of this program. Save the program once again, go to the web browser, and no need to browse this file. Why? Because the same file I have modified. For that one, simply click on refresh button. Now you see here the first text what you are having is formatted with a H1 supporting tag, and the last one is with H6 supporting tag. Similarly, you can format your text based upon your preferences. If your preference is very high, then go for the text formatting with H1. Otherwise, you can go for H6 also.